You gotta pick the song that bangs. Stop playing the shit you like to listen to that got you through a tough time. The shit that helps you get through a breakup and it's got sentimental value to you. You up here with a tear in your eye and nobody jamming. Fuck that. Fuck your feelings. I think music comes from pre-com, real quick. Ladies, anytime you let a nigga put the tip in, you risking it. Just let him put the tip in real quick. If that nigga's a dribbler, you gonna have a goddamn.
Step up. Ronnie Perry, or from the audience, Black.
I was robbed. Stick up. They first started doing it on Instagram, and we had a conversation. I told him, I said, dude, this is bigger than what you're doing. This is a TV show, and it's so good to see our court leaving social media and going into the world. It's a big deal. Look at this. This is amazing.
That was Mo.
What's up? Big time, big talk, big down.
Oscar working number one. Oscar working number two.
We want all the smoke. Y'all been talking shit for a whole year. It's time to plug up. It's time to plug up.
Body rockin', moving all night long. 30 seconds. Making love till we die.
Still rocking. They still
Break of dawn.
What the ladies at?
My house and my car. For you can have it all.
One more thing, can you show Jay Duke some love before you leave real quick?
Man, love to my man Jay Dukes. Man, this guy, I've been a fan of his from the first day I met him, and he's created something that people go their whole life and never create. So shouts out to Oscar Awards 1 year. Hey man, God bless y'all.